Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we dey make usi starch from scratch. So I get some cassava wey be say I dey wan peel now. So as I dey peel this cassava, so make I gist una about cassava. So there are two types of cassava. There's the sweet one and the bitter one. The bitter one na dey take dey make garri. The sweet one na you dey see for store if you dey obodo oyibo. The sweet one na you dey see for store wey be say people dey boil. Urhobo people dey call am midaka kone or midaka kole. Depends on how you dey speak your own Urhobo. So this one you dey fit boil am, e dey be like yam. But the other one, that they say they make garri, you have to process that well because that one dey more poisonous. There's one poison wey be say they dey inside cassava. They call am cyanide. If you not process cassava well, the poison, especially if you eat raw cassava, na the poison dey. But this one, e no dey poisonous like that. The first time I see this cassava for store, fear catch me. I not near am. I come say oyibo people dey eat this thing. Now I can't go Google the thing. I come say oh, na the midaka kone. So if you use it to make garri sha. So I dey peel am. You peel the skin like that. Then you go just do am the way they do garri for Nigeria or anywhere we say they process garri like that. So as I tell una, I'm not here to handle this cassava. You not really get a lot of poison like that bitter way we say they make garri. So I don't peel the thing finish. So I go come rinse am, wash the thing. Then I go come grind am. So this na another way we say you go fit do am. You fit use grater do the thing, but na a lot of work. You fit still use blender. You cut am small small. You fit use blender. But me, I want now food processor I wan use. I go dey put am one after the other till the blend finish. So if you get power to grate am, if you do am like this, na still another way to do am. But me, I dey use a blender. The blender sometimes I go use food processor take do am, whichever way you do am. So when I dey use the food processor, I dey use the blade join the grater because when e dey grate for the top, e go dey blend for the bottom. Na so I dey do am so that e go dey very easy to do. So now so I go dey put am one after the other. They blend, they grate and they blend at the same time. So if this not be the first time, if you don't dey watch my channel, you don't subscribe, I want to appreciate you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you for your support. If you dey view before and you never ever subscribe, please subscribe. And if this not the first time wey they come, subscribe, click the like button and the notification bell so that you go get alert whenever I post video. So I don't blend the first part finish. I put a lot of water because of course I want filter am. So this part where they put back now, that chunk wey dey for the top of the this when I dey grate am. So I just put them back into the food processor. I just blend and pour a lot of water. So when I don't blend the thing finish, I go come filter am. I dey use chiffon material. I go tie am for container like this for the bottom. So I go come get another rubber, put am under, because as you don't tie am for the bottom dey bulgy. So you need something wey be say be like bowl wey be say the thing go fit contain that part. If not, the thing no go sit down. So I can't filter am the way they do akamu. If I don't see the way they do akamu now, so I go do am because na the starch na be say I dey try to comot. So I go filter am with plenty water. So as I dey filter am so starch food, that's why I say thing dey pass through my fingers easily. Like that your tail know say starch still plenty, so you go use a lot of water still dey filter am like that till when you press am the thing no dey pass through your finger like that, not dey slide like that till dey comot through your finger. So you know say the starch don really comot well. So I just continue to dey do am like that till the thing, see, now when I dey press am, e feel say the starch don dey do this thing. So see I dey squeeze am. If starch dey, I for not fit hold am like this, e go just dey slip comot from my finger. So I don do all of them finish now. See the this way e comot, the pulp wey be say e comot from the this thing. That one I get plans for am, I no go throw away am. I get video wey be say even show how I take fry this garri. So I go come lose the thing from the bottle. You need help, only you no go fit do am. So my hobby dey help me. So as I don lose the thing finish, I go come comot am small small, make the remaining pulp wey dey inside don enter the starch. I'll come squeeze am like this comot. So I'll just leave am make e settle for some hours. So back to the pulp. So I go just transfer am back into the chiffon, squeeze a lot of water comot. This one I no go throw away am o. Na this kind garri na dey take dey make pipo garri, but me I wan fry am so that I go use am for soaking, because starch no dey. You no go fit use this one make eba, e no go turn out well. So I go just squeeze am like this, then I go come leave am make e ferment for 3 days. See all the water wey comot. Yeah, I go still squeeze am. So this one then, all the 3 days wey be say I go leave am make e ferment, I go just dey squeeze am like this. Not be say because of poison o, na just because of say I just want that fermented taste wey garri dey get. Na make I dey do. If not, I fit fry am the same day, because this one na the sweet cassava, not be the bitter one wey be say you go need to ferment and make sure say you use a lot of water. See, the thing don dey dry, but I go leave am make e ferment for 3 days. Now I take do the garri. So see all the starch. So e don settle like this. See the plenty water wey dey on top. See all these ones, they're not good to throw away them. See the starch. All those plenty water. See the small starch wey dey the bottle. So I go just scrape am like this. I go put am for smaller container till I ready to use am. So if you still dey watch the video, like o, share the video, invite your friends, say make dem come watch o. And just take style, click the subscribe button, make you subscribe if you never subscribe before. Thank you. So I go just rinse the bottom of that container, because some starch dey make anything all lost. See am, I go just let am settle. E don settle now. See all those starch wey I dey make. See am, e no even reach anything. So this starch I go use am make owo soup, and I go come use am make starch. You see. But in case this method dey very hard for you, you dey feel say you no go get time to do the thing, they sell the cassava flour for store. Na just to soak am for water, na still the same thing. So you see now, if you wan make starch, you only need 2 things: the starch and palm oil. Na you need. So you go need to work on the usi, the starch. Make sure say e dissolve before you pour am inside the pan. I dey use iron skillet. Starch get special pot wey dey take dey do am, but if you no get, you fit use anything. So but I dey use the skillet. I just pour a small oil. Of course I turn on the heat, so I go dey mix am like that. At the beginning, you fit not to dey mix am too much, because the thing never start to form, but later you need to move am quick, dey mix am quick. If not, the thing go come dey form. I notice say this thing dey starch too thick, so I add a little bit of water so that e go light. If you leave if it depends. If you want am too thick, you fit do one like that, but the lighter the better. So now, so I go just continue to dey move am like that till the thing don start to dey form. The thing don, see, the thing don dey form for the bottom, so you need to dey move am quick. This no be time to play. This one now, on your mark, get set. You don start to dey do the work. So I go continue to dey move am around. The thing dey form, you go dey quick o. Sometimes if you comot am from heat when the thing don dey form like that, like when you see say the thing don too much like that, you fit comot am. That's why iron skillet good, because e still dey retain the heat. The heat still dey there, go dey cook the thing. So you fit lower the heat small or comot am, but I just lower the heat small so that the thing no go overpower me. To avoid the starch from developing seed, you need to dey mix am well well quickly to avoid seed. Dey continue to dey dammer am, as Hausa people dey talk. See, so make sure say the starch dey always get contact with the pot, so that because the thing dey continue to dey cook. Because if you just put am for only the side, e no dey touch the pot like that, e no go dey cook. See the way I leave am for the middle of the pot, dey move am around. So na so you dey do, see. As I dey make the starch, may I still tell una another thing about cassava. Una know say cassava no be from Africa. Na the Portuguese na bring am come Nigeria, Brazil, South American countries. Dem dey eat am, dem dey call am yuca. Then the starch flour, dem dey call am tapioca. Tapioca dey so many processed food. Next time when you buy something, read the label, you go see tapioca. Na cassava be that. So as I tell you now, as long as you cook starch, poison don comot. Either through garri or starch like this, o as long as you cook the thing well, the thing no dey poisonous, no poison inside. The thing don ready, o. Still see hell. See am? When the thing don dey cook well, the thing dey, the color come dey come out well. So as the thing don ready, I get bonus part to show una. Eating of starch requires skill. When I dey small, they teach me how to eat starch. First wash your hands, then you go use your pointy finger and your thumb. You go use am press am like say you dey use the thing cut am. Then you come pinch am like this. So further cut am small before you swallow am. So this na the secret of cutting starch. The first time na so the thing go dey follow you, but if you know the secret, you go enjoy this food. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you never subscribe. Share it, like it, invite your friends. Till I see you next time. Oh, God bless you. I love you. Bye.